Your Crawlspace offers a proven, permanent, and patented vapor barrier system. Our innovative line of products will simplify your installation process and increase efficiency.
What we've done over the years is develop a complete system. It's a process that a contractor can take and be very successful. It's safe, it's sealed.
They have all of the products from start to finish that you actually need.
We have everything from the wall liners, the adhesives, to tapes,
vent covers, innovative floor liners, a Crawlspace cart,
sump pumps, dehumidifiers, drain systems, peroxide cleaners.
We're constantly innovating and designing new products that aid the contractor.
The Your Crawlspace system begins with an adhesive to attach the patented vapor barrier.
It actually gives you really a perfect seal around the perimeter, and it looks really, really clean.
It makes the installation process much quicker. Every single one of their products are top of the line.
We've been using their product for just north of 4 years now. A project that at one time took us 3 days to complete, we're now able to complete in 2.
A faster install allows for more volume, more profits.
Since we've started using Your Crawlspace products, we've increased our sales 600%.
What I really liked about the product was there was no mechanical fasteners to attach the material to the foundation. In our market, we have a lot of brick and pier.
Whenever I come in and I say, hey, I'm not going to damage your home whatsoever, that has been a huge selling point for us.
All of our adhesives are non-VOC, safe for the environment, they're safe for the installer, and most importantly, they're safe for the homeowner.
We stand by our Crawlspace work, and that starts with our products.
With the 100% woven material, it's so much more puncture resistant.
They have products that will last and that will help build our reputation for years to come.
The Your Crawlspace system allows the contractor to be successful from day one.
The YCS Sketch app allows you to draw your Crawlspace out, propose it to the homeowner. It also gives you a takeoff, it gives you measurements, and it gives you a material list for your job.
They continue to look at new ways to improve the processes.
This is a family-owned business, multiple generations. We have contractors that we've been dealing with for almost 15 years that have been with us from the launch of our first product.
We really take pride in our customer service. We want to help them succeed and be there for them.
Anytime we have any kind of question, whether it's about the products or even a certain scenario with the home, they have a lot of hands-on experience.
The Your Crawlspace products are made for installers.
If you want to do quality work, these are the products you gotta have.
To learn more about how the Your Crawlspace system can increase the efficiency of your business, please contact us today.